po yung parents magdala po ng ID kasi kayo po yung mag-claim together with your your son or daughter po. Need po yung ID for verification. Ustad Yasser, Sir Alvin, and Ustad
ID lang sa photo pwede. Kapoy na kay baklay ba? ID daw.
Okay, for our certificate of participation is proudly presented to Khalid Anke for joining Quran reading competition by NCCC Supermarket in partnership with Alaska Milk Corporation, given this March 11, 2025 at Al-Muhajirun Balik Islam Community, Catalunan Pequeño, Davao City. Signed, the Marketing Manager of NCCC Supermarket, Jana Mutalib, and Sir Alvin Tolentino, the Key Account Manager of Alaska Milk Corporation. Khalid Anke. Halika po yung please accept the certification, the certificate and
sila edad ni Khalid te? 11?
okay, the consolation prizes will be given by Sir Iboy after the announcement of winners. Next certificate is awarded to Hamza Anke for his for joining the Quran reading competition. Hamza Anke. Shukran Hamza. Next certificate is awarded to Muhammad Ali Lumbos. Muhammad. Shukran Muhammad. Shukran. Next certificate is awarded to Amir Pake. Shukran Amir. Next certificate is awarded to Zaidan Kadirao. Shukran Zaidan. Next, another certificate is awarded to Crisel Pay Adal. Next certificate is awarded to Ashadea Anke. Okay, shukran Ashadea for your participation. Shukran, Ashadea. Okay, another certificate is awarded to Jibril Vicentino. Jibril Vicentino. And the last certificate is awarded to Shahid Vicentino. Shahid? Sana si Shahid? Okay, so in behalf sa kanyang manghod, siya ang nagkuha. Thank you. Okay, so lahat ng participants and also sa mga parents, meron ding tawag dito mga giveaways from Alaska, and also yung mga participants, meron po tayong mga consolation prizes na handog ng Alaska Incorporation. So yung prizes po natin for today, yung champion po ay mananalo ng 3,000 pesos plus certificate and medal. For the first runner-up, meron po tayong 2,000 pesos plus certificate and medal. For the second runner-up, 1,000 pesos plus certificate and medal. And for the consolation prizes and all non-winning participants will have 500 pesos as consolation prizes. So, let's call on the second runner-up. Okay, ang second runner-up natin ay she's 14 years old daw. Sino ang edad? 14 years old. So, sino kaya yung 14 years old sa mga contestant?
Amir.
So, let's call on Aliana Rashid Musa.
Mashallah.
Mubarak. Aliana Rashid Musa.
Allahu Akbar.
Mashallah, tabarakallah. Mag-join daw yung mama niya. Very proud mama.
Yapil ko siya. Sure. Ba't kayo gabon? Ba't kayo gabon? Bakit?
Congratulations, Mubarak. Shukran, Aliana. And next, let's call in the first runner-up. Sino tingin niyo ang first runner-up? Sino? Ang first runner-up is a 7-year-old kid. 7-year-old kid. Babae o lalaki?
Rukaya!
Babae. Okay, let's call in
Rukaya.
Rukaya Binur. Together with her proud mama. Thank you, Mubarak, Rukaya. And for our champion,
Francis.
yung champion po natin ay mananalo na worth 3,000 pesos plus we have also gift packs from Alaska Incorporation. So let's call Haifa Saumang. Mashallah, tabarakallah, Mubarak. Haifa Saumang. Ang mag-award is si Sir Alvin Tolentino from Alaska Incorporation. Okay, syukran. Jazakillah khairan. Yung lahat ng mga